Hey everybody, just a quick video. I haven't done one in a very long time. It kind of feels weird. To all my subscribers and the new ones that I've gained recently, I apologize that I haven't brought anything to the table in quite a while. I'm amazed that one of my videos has had almost 63,000 views. Amazed and shocked, actually. But I appreciate every single view and comment. I try to reply to all the comments, but sometimes for whatever reason, some get held for a review, and I might not catch them right away, but I eventually get caught up. I mentioned in, I think it was my last video or maybe the video before, that since YouTube has been randomly shutting people's channels down and won't allow certain things to be shown in relation to streaming, they've made it difficult for content creators. I still don't know which direction I'll take. I'm sitting at the crossroads trying to figure out which road to take, since YouTube is forcing people to change lanes. There's always change going on in the streaming world too. It's hard to keep up unless you do your research and stay updated on what's up or down. You can join groups. There's a ton on Facebook, and if you need a file linked code, there's plenty of those available too. There's also Telegram groups. You can always ask if you have a question. Sometimes that might be the only way that you can get a legit answer. I have found that chats in the streaming community is helpful too. There's a lot of knowledge out there. You just have to search for it. The main reason I wanted to make this video is to thank my subscribers for your support and hanging with me, even though I haven't been around for a while. The other reason is Mobdro, hence the title to this video. Anyone with a streaming device most likely knows about the application Mobdro and have it installed on their devices. In fact, when I got my first device, which was a Fire Stick at the time, I have an NVIDIA Shield now, but Mobdro is one of the first apps that I installed. And of course Kodi. I didn't know anything about anything as far as streaming. I didn't even know what IPTV was. But I had heard and knew about Mobdro, and for people that don't have any IPTV services, probably have Mobdro as a go-to app for live TV. But there's a security issue concern that you might want to educate yourself about that may change your mind about using Mobdro. If you have Mobdro installed and you haven't checked your settings in the current version of Mobdro, then you are probably giving them consent to use your device's information, which is sent to a hosting network, a virtual cloud service called Loominatee. That is Loominatee, not Illuminati. Luminati. Loominatee also gets installed on your device and can make modifications without notice to you. Maybe there's a conspiracy behind that. I don't know. But if this concerns you and you want to know more about this issue, or if you want help in deciding if you want to continue using Mobdro, please go listen to the Juggernaut. His channel name is the Juggernaut. Listen to his recent live stream. The link to that live stream is in the description of this video. He breaks it down in detail, much better than I could explain it. I just wanted to share that information with you because as an end user myself, this is something that I'm glad I was made aware of. I've always liked Mobdro. I haven't used the app for months, probably a year or more. And to be honest, I never even went that deep into the settings. I just installed it and watched it. And also, check out the Juggernaut's video on another app called TV Zion. There's also been some controversy on that app using your device as well. I hope this information helps someone. It's all I got for now. So I'll catch y'all on the flip side. And again, thanks for subscribing to my channel. And as always, thanks for watching. And one more thing. This is the first time that I've ever seen a website with the URL address ending in .000. That just looked weird to me. I had to look twice. I've never seen that before. Anyway, thanks again for watching, and I will see you on the next one.